While buyer activity this past week wasn't consistent across all counties, new contracts rose 22% week over week. It's Friday, April 17th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Buyer activity in the suburban market is slow. Charles and Washington counties have higher buyer activity, while Calvert and St. Mary's activity is steady. Allegheny and Garrett counties are slow this week. 1,607 units are coming soon, with the median list price dropping 1.5% to $499,900. 6.9% new inventory came to market this report, with 2,971 properties at a median list price of $460,000, reflecting a 3.4% higher list price week over week. 2,115 properties went under contract in 12 days, with the list price rising to $435,000 week over week. 1,331 properties sold this report in 13 days at 100% list to sold ratio and at a median sold price of $445,000. There are 3,156 rental properties listed for lease at a median $2,500 per month. These have been on the market for 37 median days, and this is about a 2 months supply of inventory. Do you have questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for the Maryland Market Minute, Friday, April 17th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.